Today I am going to discuss linkage and recombination. So in this slide try to see what happens in meiosis division. All of you know that pairing of chromosome takes place in zygote stage. That is called linkage. Remember that what is homologous chromosome? Same kind of chromosomes, a pair of same kind of chromosome is called homologous chromosome. If pair with each other, then it is known as linkage. So at the time of meiosis first, during the zygote stage, chromosomes pair with each other, and after that in Pachytene stage, crossing over takes place. Crossing over means they cross each other. As a result, genetic material exchange between the two non-sister chromatid, and this is the main reason that offspring carry parental character. So in this video, try to understand what is linkage, what is recombination, and how both are related with the linkage and recombination. So what is the relation between the linkage and recombination? Now try to understand here, there are two conditions. What I want to say, there are two conditions. Two conditions means suppose that homologous chromosomes pair in prophase first. If there is no crossing over, they pair but no crossing over. Like in first step you are able to see red and blue color chromosome. Also in this diagram the position of the gene AB and a small ab is represented for the gene representation. It now undergoes meiosis second. What happens, all of you know that the sister chromatids held with each other with the help of centromere that splits and separate with each other. So as a result what happens? Chromosomes in gametes have original allele combination and there is no non-recombinants. And are non-recombinants. What does it mean? The resulting chromosome in gametes have original allele combination. No recombination is found in this situation. So if crossing over does not take place, no exchange of genetic material, no recombination can be seen. But just like that, there is second condition. In second condition, all of you are able to see when crossing over takes place and it undergoes meiosis second. Crossing over means definitely some genetic material exchange. So you are now able to see half will have recombinant chromosome. So here what happened in second case, half of resulting gametes will have unchanged chromosome. So that is non-recombinants, and half will have recombinant chromosome. What I want to say here, there is a tendency of gene on a chromosome to remain together. Linked genes occurs in the same chromosome. Linked gene also lie in the same in linear sequence, and this is the tendency to maintain the parental combination of gene except for exceptional choosers. So what is the relation between them? Now try to understand. So at first, who discussed about the linkage and recombination? Morgan carried dihybrid cross in Drosophila to study the genes that are sex linked. So he crossed yellow-bodied Drosophila with white-eyed female with brown body, red female. So what he did, cross yellow bodied white eyed females with brown bodied red males and intercourse F1 progeny. So what he got result, two genes did not segregate independently each of other, and this was the deviation of Mendel's second law, that is Mendel's dihybrid cross. Mendel dihybrid cross got result 9:3:3:1. But when Morgan carried this experiment, dihybrid cross, on the Drosophila, he did not get this ratio. So what he concluded, that all of you know about the Drosophila is also known as queen of heredity. The genes present on the X chromosome and two genes in a dihybrid cross situated on same chromosome known as parental gene. मतलब क्या, एक्स क्रोमोसोम कोई है उस पे जो जीन है और जो दो जीन है डाई हाइब्रिड क्रॉस होता है, अगर एक ही क्रोमोसोम पे है तो दैट इज पेरेंटल जीन. पेरेंटल जीन कॉम्बिनेशन इज मच हायर देन नॉन पेरेंटल. व्हाट इज द रीजन हियर? Actually, physical association between the two chromosomes takes place. What does it mean? Linkage of two genes on chromosome takes place, that is called linkage. So parental gene combination is much higher than non-parental. This is because of physical association between the chromosome, or you can say that linkage of two genes or chromosomes, that is called linkage. So generation of non-parental combination is called recombination. What does it mean? जब क्रॉसिंग ओवर होता है दो क्रोमोसोम के बीच में तो जीनेटिक एक्सचेंज होता है. तो जीनेटिक एक्सचेंज होने पे वह नॉन पेरेंटल कैरेक्टर को भी धारण करता है, जिसको रिकॉम्बिनेशन कहते हैं. तो व्हेन नॉन पेरेंटल कॉम्बिनेशन आता है तो वो रिकॉम्बिनेशन कहलाता है. व्हाट Morgan found? Genes are grouped in same chromosome. Some genes are tightly linked, so less recombinant. जब जीन्स काफ़ी टाइटली लिंक होते हैं तो वहाँ पे रिकॉम्बिनेंट कम देखा गया. When genes are present in different chromosome, higher recombination. जब वो उनकी पोजीशन में टाइटली पैक नहीं था, दूरी पर था, तो उन्होंने देखा उनमें हाइयर रिकॉम्बिनेशन देखा गया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जीन्स फॉर वाइट एंड येलो टाइटली लिंक था तो वहाँ पे ओनली 1.3% रिकॉम्बिनेशन देखा गया. वाइल जीन्स फॉर वाइट एंड मिनिएचर विंग we observed 37.2% of recombination. So after that, a student of Morgan, Alfred Sturtevant, used frequency of recombination between gene pairs on chromosome as a measure of distance between the genes and mapped gene position on a chromosome. So let us try to understand what is the definition for the linkage or recombination. Linkage is tendency of genes on a chromosome to remain together. That means pair with each other. So linked gene occurs in the same chromosome. जो linked gene है एक दूसरे से link है, pair gene है, वो एक ही chromosome पे होता है. And second factor that linker gene always lie in linear sequence in the chromosome. जो genes है वो linear sequence में chromosome पे मौजूद होते हैं. There is a tendency to maintain the parental combination of gene except for accessional chooser. इनकी टेंडेंसी होती है पेरेंटल कम्बिनेशन को मेंटेन करने के लिए, लेकिन क्या होता है, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ लिंकेज बिटवीन जीन इज इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू. लिंकेज जो है इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है डिस्टेंस दो जीन के बीच के डिस्टेंस का. इसलिए जितना डिस्टेंस बढ़ेगा लिंकेज ज़्यादा होगा, जितना डिस्टेंस कम होगा लिंकेज जो है इसका मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा हम बढ़ाएंगे लिंकेज ज़्यादा होगा, डिस्टेंस कम करेंगे लिंकेज कम होगा. सो नाउ व्हाट इज रिकॉम्बिनेशन? रिकॉम्बिनेशन इज द जनरेशन of non-parental gene combination to the offspring. So what happened when crossing over takes place? Genetic material also exchange there. In that situation, non-parental gene combination also found in the offspring. So tightly linked genes show very low recombination frequency and loosely linked genes show higher recombination frequency. As I told you, the frequency of recombination between the gene pair on the same chromosome is a measure of distance between the genes. दोनों जीन के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है उस पर रिकॉम्बिनेशन का फ्रीक्वेंसी डिपेंड करता है. सो फॉर दिस पर्पस इट इज़ यूज टू मैप द पोजिशन ऑफ जीन्स ऑन द क्रोमोसोम. तो जीन का क्या पोजिशन है किसी क्रोमोसोम पे, अगर उसकी मैपिंग की जाए तो यह समझ में आता है कि रिकॉम्बिनेशन किस कंडीशन में ज़्यादा होता है. सो क्रॉसिंग ओवर इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द क्रोमोसोम. मतलब क्रॉसिंग ओवर दो क्रोमोसोम के बीच में डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है. तो दो क्रोमोसोम के बीच में डिस्टेंस अगर क्या है ज़्यादा है तो क्रॉसिंग ओवर भी ज़्यादा है, अगर डिस्टेंस कम है तो क्रॉसिंग ओवर कम है. सो दिस इज द रीजन रिकॉम्बिनेशन इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू क्रोमोसोम. सो लिंकेज इज इनडायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डिस्टेंस. सो डिस्टेंस हम बढ़ाएंगे लिंकेज कम होगा, डिस्टेंस बढ़ाएंगे तो लिंकेज कम होगा, डिस्टेंस कम करेंगे तो लिंकेज बढ़ेगा. लेकिन क्या है, जब लिंकेज होगा तो क्या होगा, क्रॉसिंग ओवर जो दो के बीच में जितना ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस होगा क्रॉसिंग ओवर उतना ही ज़्यादा होगा. नाउ हियर यू ट्राई टू सी देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रिकॉम्बिनेशन. फर्स्ट वाइल्ड टाइप, सेकेंड म्यूटेंट टाइप. व्हाट हैपन, ट्राई टू सी. दोनों दो तरह के ड्रोसोफाइला हैं और दोनों में क्या देखा गया, जीन की फ्रीक्वेंसी को देखा गया किस में म्यूटेड टाइप ज़्यादा है. इससे आप ये बुक की डायग्राम को देख के समझें. जस्ट आई टोल्ड यू मॉर्गन व्हेन ही डिड एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन द येलो वाइट. येलो वाइट व्हाट डज इट मीन, यहाँ पे येलो वाइट का मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है, जस्ट आपको मैंने बताया था कि क्रॉसिंग किया उन्होंने, उसमें डाई हाइब्रिड क्रॉस लिया, मतलब येलो बॉडीड वाइट आइड फीमेल और ब्राउन बॉडीड रेड आइड मेल का क्रॉसिंग करवाया, दैट इज़ वाइल्ड टाइप. तो उन्होंने क्या देखा, एक जिसमें जीन एक दूसरे से काफ़ी क्लोज थे वहाँ रिकॉम्बिनेशन ओनली 1.3% देखा गया. अब आइए क्रॉस बी में. क्रॉस बी में उन्होंने क्या किया, वाइट मिनिएचर और वाइल्ड टाइप को क्रॉस करवाया तो ही गॉट 37.2% recombinant. Why? Because of he observed that in genetic map the genes are far away with each other on the chromosome. So the distance between the two genes if more then crossing over is also more. So this is actually the formula that you have to understand. So if the crossing over is more, that means recombination will be also more. So this is the main reason that the position of the gene and the distance between the two genes on the chromosome actually affects the recombination rate. So now all of you understood what is linkage. Physical association of gene on a chromosome is called linkage. That what does it mean? दो जीन एक दूसरे से कितना एसोसिएट हैं. रिकॉम्बिनेशन द जनरेशन ऑफ नॉन पेरेंटल जीन व्हेन क्रॉसिंग ओवर टेक्स प्लेस बिटवीन द क्रोमोसोम. तो अगर दो जीन के बीच में ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस है तो क्रॉसिंग ओवर भी उतना ही ज़्यादा होगा और नॉन पेरेंटल कॉम्बिनेशन भी वो एक्सचेंज करके लाएंगे और ऑफस्प्रिंग में वो दिखेगा. तो इट अकर्स इन क्रॉसिंग ओवर ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम at the time of meiosis division. Now try to see this diagram. First picture is for the wild type Drosophila and second is for the black vestigial. कलर ब्लैक है. अब यहाँ पे देखिए फर्स्ट जो है फीमेल है, वाइल्ड टाइप है, इसमें जो पेयर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम है वो बिल्कुल अलग है. अब इसमें जब मियोसिस डिवीजन होगा तो पेरेंटल जीनोटाइप, अगर मियोसिस होगा तो पेरेंटल जीनोटाइप अगर क्रॉसिंग नहीं ओवर नहीं हुआ तो रेड और ब्लू कलर में अपीयर हुआ. बट अगर क्रॉसिंग ओवर हुआ दैट मीन्स रिकॉम्बिनेंट जीनोटाइप प्रोड्यूस होगा. तो यहाँ पे थर्ड और फोर्थ को देखिए, इसमें पेरेंटल कैरेक्टर जो भी है उसमें नॉन पेरेंटल कैरेक्टर भी दिखाई दे रहा है. अब आइए ब्लैक वेस्टिजियल में किसी भी कंडीशन में इसमें जो क्रोमोसोम है वो सपोज दैट सेपरेट हुआ लेकिन वो ब्लैक एंड वेस्टिजियल. सो व्हाट हैपन इन दिस कंडीशन, यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग फ्लो चार्ट दैट 944 black vestigial, 965 you can say simply 25% black vestigial, again 50% wild, in 25% wild type, 25% gray vestigial and 25% black normal. So he observed that if the genes are very close with each other in gene mapping, that means distance between the two genes are very close, so in that condition less recombination, and if the distance between the two genes are more, then recombination will be more. Now this is very important to understand what I am representing here. Try to see, actually this is for the base sequences. So what is base sequences? All of you have studied it in class 11th. So there are two types of bases present in the DNA, or purine and pyrimidine. Purine is made up of adenine and thymine, whereas pyrimidine is guanine and cytosine. Adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. There are 4 types of nitrogenous base present in the DNA, in which adenine guanine is purine and thymine cytosine is pyrimidine. Adenine always pairs with the thymine with the help of 2 hydrogen bond, and cytosine with the guanine with the help of 3 hydrogen bond. So what I want to say here, actually when you study molecular bases, in genetic code only 3 base pairs are present. So here you are able to see 3 base pairs are present, and that pairs with the complementary pairing. So if its number increase, that means the number of gene, that you can say that base sequences will be duplicate and causes alteration in the gene. Inversion, any inversion also causes alteration of the base sequence. If any new base is added, insert into it, it also causes base sequence change in the base sequence. Deletion, if any gene delete, in any base delete, it causes alteration in the basic base sequence. And if any gene is replaced by the other, that means base sequence is replaced by the other, it causes substitution. What I want to say here, in any case, if it is duplicate, if inversion, if insertion, deletion, substitution takes place, that means it alters the genotype. So sudden heritable change in genotype and phenotype of an organism is called mutation. You can say that alteration in genotype and phenotype of the organism is called mutation. What I want to show here, in duplication, just you see T, Ta, Cg, tat, aat. If it duplicates, what happens in first condition? देखो TTT, एक नंबर ज़्यादा हो गया, मतलब बेस की सीक्वेंस ही चेंज हो गई। ओके, इन सेकंड इस डायग्राम में आप देखिए यहाँ पे व्हाट आई वांट टू से दैट फर्स्ट कंडीशन में ये जो है आपको फर्स्ट कंडीशन में डुप्लीकेट हो गया है। इन्वर्सन का मतलब होता है कि कुछ चेंजेज हो गए। इंजर्सन में देखिए इस सेकंड केस में एक कोई बेस सीक्वेंस इंजर्ट हो गया है, डिलीट हो गया तो कोई एक बेस सीक्वेंस डिलीट हो गया, एक कभी एक दूसरे को सब्सटीट्यूट कर दिया तो सब्सटीट्यूशन। व्हाट आई वांट टू से हियर, actually I want to focus on the mutations, sudden heritable changes in genotype and phenotype of organism is called mutation. So what happened in this? Alteration of DNA sequence results in change in genotype and phenotype of the organism. चाहे वो सब्सटीट्यूशन हो, डिलीशन हो, इंजर्सन हो, इन्वर्सन हो, डुप्लीकेशन हो, कुछ भी हो, अगर जीनोटाइप चेंज हो गया तो इसका इफेक्ट फिनोटाइप पर भी पड़ता है और इस फेनोमेनन को हम म्यूटेशन कहते हैं। अब आइए लॉस और गेन। अगर लॉस हो गया, कोई भी बेस सीक्वेंस लॉस हो गया या कोई गेन हो गया, यू कैन से दैट डिलीशन। गेन का मतलब इंजर्सन हो सकता है या डुप्लीकेशन हो सकता है ऑफ ए सेगमेंट ऑफ डीएनए, रिजल्ट इन चेंज इन द क्रोमोसोम and that is called abnormalities and aberration. So chromosomal aberration causes abnormalities. Commonly, where does commonly what happens? Actually, chromosomal aberration commonly seen in the cancer cell. So after that, you try to see here sequence phenomenon which results in alteration of DNA sequence and result in change in genotype and phenotype is called mutation. So now this is very important to see. There are two types of mutation. Gene mutation, there are two types of gene mutation, point mutation and frame shift mutation. Second is chromosomal mutation. Gene mutation means when the gene is disturbed and chromosome means chromosome disturbed. That is loss, that is gain, that is insertion, that may be substitution. So it causes structural variation as well as numerical variation. In class 12 syllabus only you have to study about the numerical variation. So numerical variation means any deletion, any increase in number known as aneuploidy, and if the number increase then it is known as polyploidy. So we have to also study about the Down syndrome for the trisomy and monosomy in this chapter. Before going to discuss about that, I want to say that what is the type of mutation. So what is the type of mutation? As I told you, there are two types of mutation. Gene mutation. So what is gene mutation? The mutation takes place due to change in single base pair of DNA. It's called gene mutation. मतलब क्या है, एक बेस पेयर में भी अगर डीएनए के चेंज हो गया तो जीन म्यूटेशन और पॉइंट म्यूटेशन, किसी एक खास पॉइंट पे म्यूटेशन हुआ इसलिए इसे कहते हैं पॉइंट म्यूटेशन और जीन म्यूटेशन. Example, sickle cell anemia. We will discuss about the what is the cause of sickle cell anemia in this chapter also. Second is frame shift mutation. Frame shift deletion और insertion of base pair. मतलब कोई बेस पेयर डिलीट हो गया या कोई ऐड हो गया तो डीएनए में, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रेम शिफ्ट म्यूटेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सिस्टिक फाइब्रोसिस एंड सम फॉर्म्स ऑफ द कैंसर. In this chapter you have to also study about the cystic fibrosis, that is one of the disorder, and cancer also in the health and disease. So in this chapter you have to study about the both separately. I will explain about that also. Third is induced mutation, that is also known as spontaneous mutation. Certain mutagens like ultraviolet radiation, X-ray, chemical is responsible for the responsible for the mutation, that is heritable changes in the genotype and phenotype. So this is called induced mutation. So when a person body is exposed in the more X-ray light, ultraviolet radiation, so gene genetic constituent here exchange and causes mutation and also affects on the phenotype. So actually here factor is external, and the factors that is responsible for mutation, induced mutation, is called mutagens, like UV rays, chemical, some of the common food, like if you know about the popular red grapefruits varieties are the result of induced mutation. Okay, thank you very much. In next section we will explain about the discuss about the different study of pedigree and different types of disorder that is related with autosome, that is chromosome, autosomal chromosome and sex chromosome. Thank you very much, and if any doubt you have, discuss with me, and don't forget